Welcome to Country Roads Crafts. Today we're creating a stunning night forest landscape using acrylic paints. Watch as this serene scene comes to life through vibrant colors, soft textures, and shimmering highlights. I draw out some guidelines on the canvas in pencil so I can see where I'm going. I'm using a deep blue/purple, and as I move down the canvas I use the violet and adding white as I make it closer to the horizontal lines. I use a smooth gradient blending for the sky. I make sure my brush stays damp so the paint moves smoothly and the blending is light. Now it's time to add the forest. Using a flat or detail brush, I'm painting tall, shadowy trees. Key is to vary the shapes and sizes for a natural look. Thin the paint for sharp lines and keep the base darker to enhance the depth. Be sure to highlight areas of the forest floor with soft white to give it a more natural feel. Now it's time to add snow to the trees. Using a small round or detail brush, I'm dabbing white paint onto the branches to create the illusion of fresh snow. Keep the snow uneven and natural. Focus on the tops of the branches where snow would settle. For painting the full moon, use a stencil or freehand, then blending its glow into the surrounding sky. To paint the moon, start with a circular base of soft white, then layer light yellows or metallics for added warmth and texture. Next, I'm adding stars by flicking white paint onto the sky and letting them scatter naturally. Thank you for joining me in creating this peaceful winter night landscape. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. Stay tuned for more creative adventures.